Jeff, stop. They're watching already.
Oh. What?
Yeah, they're watching already.
Dude, you guys are back already? What? I haven't even finished cleaning up from the last job yet. No, wait. Hold on. You gotta wait.
Okay, so I got our magnet here. You gotta check this out. This is the fun part of cleaning up when you got cool toys. Look, can you see that?
Hello. Welcome, please. Welcome. I'll remain seated.
It's picking up all those really, really fine pieces of metal that might have stuck through. What? And welcome back to the DIY van build. So today we're doing sound deadening again. Why? Well, I put on that first coat of lizard skin just as an added barrier. We are actually going to use the KILMAT sound deadening as well. For me, these little panels fit almost every single panel without actually making a cut. Here, let me show you. See? Panel, panel, panel. Very simple. The only ones I have to cut are up top here. I will have to cut them a little bit. So let's get to work on these first ones. We'll make this pretty quick, peeps. So I'm just gonna take it. We're gonna peel back the first part of the layer. Get it lined up on there. Now I did speak to Lizard Skin ahead of time and they did confirm that everything should adhere to the lizard skin. No problem at all. So I'm just gonna make sure it gets nice and straight. Roll on the first little part. And then peel it down. We know it lines up perfectly. I'm gonna say that was pretty straightforward and simple. What do you think? Next. And now I'm just gonna keep going and going and going until we have rolled this stuff onto every single panel that we can. Because this is just gonna help keep all those sounds and rattles a little bit more to the minimum that we want. And after we've done all those walls, covered the wheel wells really well, well now we have to look up and we have to do every single one of these ribs with the KILMAT stuff. And now that we've gone all the way from back to front, except for this spot here and this spot here. Do you know why I'd leave two spots undone on our ceiling? Let me know below. But now I still need to put some more of this KILMAT in between the grooves of this floor to help the road noise stop from coming up. And although this might seem like a lot of work, it's very monotonous work and really requires no skill at all. Literally cut it, peel it, stick it, you're finished. So compared to the lizard skin sound control that we put in, it's actually a lot less work. Especially the prep that went into before putting that lizard skin down was very time consuming. I think the results from the KILMAT since I put it in, whether it's a combination of the two of them or not, the KILMAT definitely made a bigger impact. And if I wanted to put the full coating of the lizard skin on that they recommend to maybe get to what the KILMAT has performed to, it'd be double the budget of something that was already double the price of the KILMAT. The other side is I ordered 90 square foot coverage of KILMAT, and I have all that left. Tons and tons and tons. The lizard skin, we ran out. We never got the whole project done. So if I was to make a recommendation here, if you could only do one, do the KILMAT. But if you can do both, do that, because it sounds freaking amazing in this place. And now with this KILMAT in place, I can knock on this one and we have non-treated, coated, KILMATted. Tell me if you notice the difference on those three. So myself, because I have so much left over, I'm gonna fill in a whole bunch more like that around the wheel wells, and we will see you next Sunday.
Perfect.